Your Excellency, it is my great honor to present to you my letter of credence, addressed to you by Katalin Novak, President of Hungary, accrediting me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Hungary to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the distinct honor to present to you the letter of recall of my predecessor. Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your good letters. I welcome you to the Republic of Fiji and I wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to the President the government of Hungary our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Much honor.
All right, Your Excellency.